Welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the demo of RF controlled pick and place robot. In this, we are having one transmitter side which is having keypad and all for controlling the robot. And in this keypad, we are having 4 switches, and also this side we can see that RF transmitter is there, ASK module, and the battery. This one battery we are using, and in the receiver side we can see the robot. Over there actually this RF receiver and Arduino board is also there. So with the help of this we are going to control the pick and place robot. So now I will show you the demo working of this model. So first of all, we can see while pressing the first switch it is moving front, and while pressing the second switch it is moving back, and third switch rotating one side, and this one another rotation. And for pick and place, working of pick and place, I am pressing these first two adjacent switches together. So now we can see that picking action is happening. And now for dropping it, last two buttons. So now we can see that expansion has happened. And now if you want to move it up and down, we can go for the other 2 buttons. This one, first and the last one, if I am pressing together, it will move up, and the middle 2 one, if I am pressing together, it will move down. This is how this pick and place robot is working. Thank you.